Hello friends. Welcome to TrackHr. In this video we will learn how to create activities in TrackHr. Open TrackHr app in your phone. You will come to home screen. Activities are those tasks or job roles that we do repeatedly. To create activities, click on three dots on the left side of the home page that will open the dashboard. In dashboard, click on the activities. After doing this, we will come to the list of the activities. To create new activity, click on the blue button that is in the bottom. After doing this, TrackHr will ask you the category according to your company's category. After choosing category, we will write the description of the activity. After writing the description, we define the TAT, that is turn around time, which shows us how much time will it take to do this activity. Like this, you can set the hours and minutes, then we'll click on OK. Then we will set the frequency of this activity, in which we will define whether it's on daily, weekly, monthly basis, or you can choose as you wish. Then we will select next due date, means when we are going to do this activity again, and will select the date, or don't select it if activity is not on date base. After this, for those activities in which you need to know when it is started or closed, or you want to chat or share media, for those we will check on the checkbox that is next to the critical activity. After doing this, TrackHr will generate tickets according to the frequency of the activity. For these types of ticket, name of the checker and doer will be written in this line. After all of this, we will save the activity with the save button to the right corner of the app. After clicking this, you will get the pop-up message in which you will get the information about the how much percentage is filled by this activity for the year. After saving the activity, you will see that activity in the activity list. You can also see the bar at the bottom of the screen which will show the percentage filed for the year. Similarly, in few simple steps you can create activities in TrackHr app.